ओके गाइस, वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले एक बात आप सबको बोलना चाहूँगा। 30 डेज वेट लॉस चैलेंज चल रहा है, बहुत लोग प्रैक्टिस करो। सबको रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा, अगर आपका ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होता है 2 किलो 3 किलो 4 किलो 5 किलो, डोंट हेजिटेट टू शेयर विथ मी। एंड ऑफ द मंथ आपको मेरा व्हाट्सअप नंबर मिल जाएगा। प्लीज़ आपका डिटेल्स मुझे शेयर कीजिए, लेकिन ऑथेंटिक होना चाहिए। मैं जरूर आपको नॉमिनेट करूँगा एंड मेरे तरफ से एक छोटा सा गिफ्ट भी आपको मिलेगा, ठीक है। How are you? I hope you guys are very well and practice yoga every day. So 30 days weight loss challenge चल रहा है। बहुत अच्छा कमेंट मिल रहा है, अच्छा फीडबैक मिल रहा है आपसे कि आप लोग प्रैक्टिस करके आप लोग का बहुत शेप में थोड़ा चेंजेस आया है। किसी कोई मैसेज करो कि 1 किलो 2 किलो 3 किलो आपका वजन लूज हुआ है, ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट जा रहा है, अच्छा चीज़ है। तो हम क्या करेंगे आज बहुत सारा कमेंट आया है, सर अपर बेली फैट के लिए कुछ एक्सरसाइज दिखाइए। आज का जो वीडियो है मेरा प्राइवेट मेंबर है, वियतनाम से बिलोंग करता है। हम इसको वीडियो मैंने बहुत सारा अपलोड कर चुका हूँ, बहुत इफेक्टिव वीडियो है। तो प्लीज़ इसको ट्राई कीजिए। डेफिनेटली आपका जो अपर बेली फैट है इसमें डेफिनेटली आपको फर्क पड़ेगा। दावे के साथ कह सकता हूँ, जितना भी मैं सेट दिखाऊंगा पूरा वीडियो को एक बार पूरा फर्स्ट क्लास वॉच कीजिए। उसके बाद उसको प्रैक्टिस कीजिए 2 to 3 सेट, 2 से 3 बार इसको रिपीट कीजिए। डेफिनेटली आपका जो अपर वैली है वहाँ पर आपको फर्क पड़ता है तो प्लीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना कैसे लगा। ठीक है, चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का सेशन। एक्सरसाइज फॉर रिड्यूस अपर बेली फैट पर एक्सरसाइज है। मैं सबको रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा इसको प्लीज़ एक बार प्रैक्टिस करो, डेफिनेटली आपको फर्क पड़ेगा। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। अगर चैनल में नया है तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन।
Okay, namaste everybody. With me again my yoga sister, my trunk. One step open your leg. Very good job. Twist your spine to the right side to left side. Continue breathing. Normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax yourself. Rotate your hands clockwise first. Yep. 1. Just normal warm up to your body. 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Anti-clockwise. Very good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's great. Slowly left hand over your hip joint. Yeah, right hand over your head. Inhale, exhale, continue. Inhale center, again exhale to the right side down. Very good job. Just side bending. Inhale, exhale to the left side. Inhale center, exhale to the right side. Nice. Inhale center, exhale to the left. Inhale center, exhale to the right. Nice. Continue please. Inhale, exhale to the left side. Very good job. Inhale center, exhale to the right side. Okay, one more time. Inhale center, exhale to the left. Inhale center, exhale to the right. Very good. And the last one, you have to hold. Inhale, exhale to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale center, exhale to the right side. Bend and maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, come center. We are going to zigzag. Cross leg toe to touch your toes. Yep. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Right hand all the way up. Inhale up. 2, 3, 4. Inhale, exhale. Same. Change your side. 2, 3, and 4. Okay, come up. Lift up your body and relax your hand. Yep, that's great. Now we are going to practice upper belly fat. Right hand back side, left hand over your waist. Come on, knee to elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Again, change your side. Same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Okay, same way, but this time palm to toes. Nice. 2, 3. Very good job. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Relax. 15 times from the left side and 15 times on the right side. Come on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Relax. 3, 2, 1. Come on. Okay. Nice. Shake your leg one by one. Try to relax yourself. That's great. Come on, come on, come on. Relax yourself. Come on. Okay. Now next we are going to jumping jack. If possible, then you are going to jumping jack. Very good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Very good. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Very good. Excellent. Shake your leg one by one. Little bit. Relax your cup muscle. Relax your toes. Relax your ankle. Okay. Now both hands over your head. Try to elbow to elbow. Forward bending, backward bending. Breathe. Inhale up. Exhale down. Very good. Inhale up. Exhale down. Continue. Up. Exhale down. Inhale 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 up. Exhale down, and you have to relax yourself. Exhale. Yep. Continue. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Exhale down. Exhale down. And relax. Okay, shake your leg one by one. That's great. Relax yourself. You have to practice this set around 3 sets minimum. You have to practice every set, every series 3 sets. That's great job. Okay, one more time. Elbow to elbow and cross leg, knee to elbow. Come on. Yeah. 2, 3. Normal breathing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax yourself. Okay, relax. Try to relax. Come on, relax. Next, we are going to lie down some practice. Okay, fold your knees. Very good job. Both hands again, shoulder to shoulder. Inhale, exhale, crunches little bit up. Continue. Breathe. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7. Come on. 6. Very good job. 5. Colon. 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Twist your spine right side to left side to right. Whenever you practice ABS, obviously every time you have to twist your spine to reduce your pain. Now toe touch. Yeah. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe should be normal. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, great job. Nice. Twist your spine again. Right side, left side. Continue, please. So they are very effective exercise for your upper belly fat. Now we are next practice. We are going to bicycle crunches. Yeah, both hand back side of the head. Very good job. Knee to elbow. Come on, cross leg. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. That's great job. Great job. Nice. Excellent job. Relax yourself a little bit. Right side to left side, right side. Now next exercise we are going to side plank. Yeah. Drop your right elbow down. Inhale left hand all the way up, and you have to maintain here. Just take a normal breath in. Maintain here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, and slowly come down. Relax yourself. Yeah, that's great. And change your side. Excellent. Drop your left elbow down again. Inhale right and all the way up, and try to engage your core muscle. That's great job. Normal breathing. Maintain here again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, come on, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, good job, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's great. Come on, relax yourself. And the last one, we are going to elbow plank. Try to engage your core muscle. Make sure your spine should be straight in one line. We have to hold here maximum 30 seconds to 3 minutes. As much as possible you can. Come on, let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on. 8. Breathe should be normal. 9, 10. Look front. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Come on. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One more. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. 6. Come on. Tight your core muscles. 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly. Relax yourself. Now slowly come to child pose and relax yourself. Relax couple of breaths. You have to relax your body, whole body. Relax your back. You relax your core muscle. That's a very relaxation position. Now you feel more light. Now slowly come to Vajrasana. Sit over your knees. Thank you so much for joining this class. Thanks a lot. Namaste.
तो कैसे लगा आपको ये सीरीज? आई होप आप लोगों ने एंजॉय किया हो. प्लीज़ इसको रिपीट कर रहा हूँ और एक बार. प्लीज़ इसको देखिए, समझिए और दबा के प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. डेफिनेटली आपको पड़ेगा. अगर आप ज़्यादा मतलब कि अगर आप ज़्यादा इफेक्ट करना चाहते हो, मतलब अगर आप चाहते हो कि आपका जो बेली अपर बेली फैट है जल्दी से जल्दी रिड्यूस हो, तो इस एक्सरसाइज को आपको लगातार 2 से 3 हफ्ते तक कंटिन्यू प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा. लगातार सुबह करो, मॉर्निंग करो. हाँ, हो सकता है आपको बैक में थोड़ा पेन आ सकता है क्योंकि क्रांचेस ज़्यादा है, तो उसका आपको अल्टरनेट करना होगा. ठीक है, आप वो पोस्चर कर सकते हो. ठीक है, आपको अल्टरनेट करना पड़ेगा. तो प्लीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना कैसे लगा. मिलते हैं नया कोई टॉपिक के साथ. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. खुश रहिए और योग पर सर्विस कीजिए. प्लीज़ आपका जो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हो रहा है इसको एंड ऑफ द मंथ मुझे जरूर शेयर करना. मैं आपको जरूर नॉमिनेट करूँगा.